Hello guys, Cybernary here, and I am recording with a different program today to go over just a few things about what we've done for CybCraft and the different things that you'll need to download to play. If you're not currently on the whitelist, then you can ignore this video. This is mainly for the people that are whitelisted. And if you are curious about setting up your own Forge server, then you can watch this and maybe get a few tidbits about how to do that. So, to first start off, you will need to download Forge. Because of the plugins that we are running, you need to run the version 1.6.4 of Minecraft. So what you're going to do is you're going to download this installer and run it as a client. If I click on this and get past the AdFly link, then you'll see that the installer, which, hold on a second. Okay, so as I was saying, the installer will come up, and I've kind of covered up some of this stuff just to kind of protect my system here, but you'll be given these options here: extract, install server, install client. You want to install client, and then in the section that's below this, you want to make sure that it's pointed to your current Minecraft folder. That's where you go to do all your launches and everything else where you are currently playing, and it will basically set up a profile, as you can see here, for Forge, and allow you to play modded Minecraft and also connect to modded Minecraft servers. Now, as you can see, I'm logged in here as Cybernary. I'm ready to play Minecraft 1.6.4, and then also up here when we did the installer, we are currently running Forge 9.11.1.965. So that is the latest version for 1.6.4, as you can see over here, and that is the version that we are running, and that's the version I recommend you download and install. So hold on a second and we'll go over the different mods that we are going to be running, what's going to be on the server, and then what you'll need to download and install on your local version, your client version of Minecraft. So hold on just a second. Okay, what I've got here is basically a copy of the Minecraft Forge server that we're going to be playing on, and I've been setting it up here locally on my computer here before we upload it to the host. And this is the list of all the different mods that are going to be on the server, and a good 99% of these, or if not more, you will need on the client, and we'll get into the client in here just a minute. I've got a list over here that I've typed up of the I call it the friendly name of each of these mods. In the 1.6.4 folder is just some multi-part or core mods that we need for some of these other mods to work. And as you see here, when we get into the client versions, you also need those. But not to fret, we've got a mod pack set up for you guys to download so that you can get all this in one easy connection. So first off, we've got Ars Magica 2, Biomes Aplenty. The Code Chicken Core is a mod that needs to be added for not enough items in Ender storage. Enchanting Plus, Extra Utilities, which is right there, the Death Counter, Gravestones, Hats, Iron Chests, Not Enough Items, and also the Not Enough Items plugin, which also adds several of these mods into Not Enough Items. Player Heads, Tinker's Construct, Thaumcraft 4, and What Am I Looking At? So those are the mods that are going to be on the server, and there will be a couple more here on the client, and let me get into those real quick. This is basically very close to being the same list, with the exception of 2 or 3 different additions that are only needed on the client side. Damage Indicators is right here. The next one would be Optifine, which I know several people wanted to be able to play with, and then Zan's Minimap. That file is a zip file that has all of those mods. Once you have downloaded the zip file, you need to go to your Minecraft folder, go into your mods folder, and unzip all of these. Now ignore the voxel mod. That was from a different thing. I was playing around with voxel sniper on a different server, so just ignore that. Everything else here you need to be able to connect successfully to our new CybCraft server. So that is pretty much it. Once you have Forge installed and you have these mods unzipped into that folder, then when you launch Minecraft, you will want to make sure that your Forge profile is selected. You want to make sure that it's ready to play 164, and then once you click on play, go into the multiplayer. The IP address will still be the same. It'll still be CybCraft.com, and just go ahead and connect up. Once you play, there'll be a hold on a second. I'll show you how you can test to make sure all your mods are loaded properly. Okay, so I just loaded up my Forge profile in Minecraft. I didn't want you guys to have to wait for that. As you can see, we've got Minecraft 164, Forge 9.11.1, 965, and Optifine has been loaded. You can go into your mods button here and see exactly everything that is loaded, and if you go through and double check that everything matches with the list that I showed you, then then you're good to go. Everything should be fine. When you connect, you shouldn't have any problems. There will be a couple of additional ones here, like Forge Microblocks or the Minecraft Multipart plugin. Those are some of the things that are inside that 164 folder. You want to make sure that you get those. Again, here's all the different versions of the plugins that we're using. In case you... Well, I mean, everything should be in that zip file when you download it. So you should be good to go. And then you just go into multiplayer and connect to the CybCraft server when it gets launched. Right now, I'm recording this on Monday, June 2nd. Round Rectangle and I have talked about it, and we would like to get this server launched right after school's out, considering most of you who play this are in school. So we are going to be working on trying to get this up launched either Friday the 6th or Saturday the 7th. Because of that, we will probably be taking down the server Wednesday or Thursday of this week, just so that we can prepare it, make sure we've got all the whitelists set up and everything like that. So I appreciate you guys continuing to play on the server, and I hope you guys are gonna have a lot of fun with this new modded server that we're putting together. Round and I have talked long time about what mods would be good without becoming too overpowered and too technical. So I hope you guys like our selections, and look forward to seeing you on game. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.